Welcome to Best RV channel. Nana Mari from Best RV. What's behind me? It's a brand new 2026 Rockwood fifth wheel signature models. Again, every video we're gonna do right now, if you notice, a lot of them is on about the new models of 2026. So they did quite a few changes. Floor plan is still the same, but they did change inside the features and the colors of the wood, paneling, and some items. So I'm gonna point it to you. The cab, they changed a little bit in the cab. They add more LED light on the side. So you have a LED light here as well on both sides. They still kept the Kurtz Retroflex. It's still the same. They make it more aerodynamic. And by the way, this cap is painted. It has the washer dryer vent. They added to the cap. Power awning, LED light. And you have two, one on the unit and one on the slide. If you notice, all the Rockwood signature fifth wheel, the way how we're going to stock it at Best RV is all of them, they come with the slide toppers, especially in the signature model. So if you notice this signature, the other signature, and anything coming to us is going to have the slide topper because we found out it has a good feedback from the customer. They say it comes straight from the factory, is warranted, and it protects my slide out from the debris and whatever outside elements. Outside plug. Slam luggage door, again, it has ice maker, this particular floor plan. Receivers, you could do triple, bike rack, electric bike. I love about signatures, they give you the ladder so you don't have to go buy a ladder. Prep for backup camera. This particular floor plan, the rear kitchen floor plan, they give you a place here so I could put my trash can here and put my trash in it and I could take it out. Or you could use it for outside storage. You don't have to use it for the trash can. Another one over here, utilize the storage, and again accessible from inside as well outside. They try to give you more, they utilize every space and they try to provide it to you. Now, Rockwood signature fifth wheel, what they give you, they're gonna give you a full house water filtration system, so any water going through this unit from your water hose straight to the unit, like direct connect, or city water or water from your water tank to the unit or the city water, all of it's going to go through this filter, so you have no issue. And this come with a cartridge. You just first one it's okay, and then 6 months or 1 year from now you could change the cartridge the way you want it. There's a plug 110 here if you want to do outside shower hot and cold. So they give you this, and again it's one docking station, so you don't have to worry. You get your hoses through here, you close the door, so nobody gonna come play with the valves, nobody gonna touch this. Cable hookup, sunlight hookup, and everything will be closed, sealed, and you connect it from underneath. Again, this floor plan, I love Rockwood. They give you this shocks, not a shocks, it's like a special hinges on the door will allow you to open it and nothing gonna slam. And they put the controller for the auto levelers. It's right here, so you just put auto level, and the fifth wheel will do the dance. Now, FY, always when you level the unit, you need to level the unit when the slide's closed. So, like me, if I back up this unit on my spot, I take it off my truck with the auto leveling system, there's a switch. And then after that, I push auto level, it level itself on the pad, on the concrete pad or in the grass pad where you park. And then go ahead, open the slides and use it. Now, I want to let the camera show you what's about Rockwood, why you want a Rockwood. Rockwood is a true aluminum frame. So even the structure inside, you could see is screwed and welded. So that show you the weld on this unit. And I show you there's insulation here as well, insulation here on the roof. So there's like your enclosed underbelly heated and with insulation. And it has also heat pad run of 12 volt. Another thing about Rockwood, it has the 7-gallon tank, one on each side. Over here, you could put your 2 batteries, whatever you want to add in the front. This is the controllers. Over there, you see some controllers, and again, this is the auto leveling with the battery disconnect switch. Going inside, now, the beauty about this one, what people tell me, why Rockwood they use the 10-gallon hot water heater DSI? Well, Rockwood they use the 10-gallon hot water DSI because this gives you ability for 2 options. You could run on propane and electricity versus some other unit, they give you only propane. Big handle, you see, easy to get in, 4-step. Rockwood signature fifth walls is very well known from day one. Since 1996 I've been in this business, 97, and they always come up with very neat, slick, clean. There's a lot of fifth wall manufacturer, and I'm sorry to use this word, they use lipstick, too much lipstick, but lipstick does not help me. I rather have structure, quality, features, items. So that's what's Rockwood signature fifth wall. For example, this you see is a solid floor. Why? Because it's aluminum truss. The roof is a solid roof. Why? Because it's aluminum truss. All the four walls is aluminum frame. Even the structure of the beds, it's aluminum frame. So that's what separates Rockwood signature than anybody brand. Now, why I like this floor plan? Two reasons. Too much kitchen, too much storage, and is good family oriented. You and your friends or family members, you could sit and enjoy conversations. How many times you sit on a fifth wall or trailers, people sitting on this side, people sitting on the other side, and it's very hard to have a conversation. This unit, it gives you ability to theater seating. So I'm sitting on an electric theater seating. So this one, I push the switch. If I'm plugged in, I recline. I could straight watching that almost 50-inch screen TV, smart TV. I have a nice fireplace. If I have a family member sitting on this sofa or family member sitting on that sofa, I could have nice conversation with them. So I could see 6 people, and by the way, 2 on the dinette and 4. So I could sit total 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could sit 10 people on this one in this room and have nice conversation where everybody could see each other, everybody could talk, and all these people, like the 6 people sitting here, they could watch the TV with no problem. And by the way, the TV is on a bracket. So if you are sitting on the table and you want to really the TV direct you, you drop this strap and you swing the TV to you. So this is giving you here's a nice hide-a-bed sofa, so sleep 2 people. Same as here is a nice hide-a-bed sofa. Those 2 hide-a-bed sofa, there's still room to walk from them. Theater seating facing the TV and the fireplace. So that's from the living area. Now let's go on the kitchen area. You could see on the new slit and the new 26, they changed the wood paneling over here. The wood paneling here, they changed the balances. They went to a bigger window. Nice bench with the back support. Storage underneath this bench, as you see. Extension table, very contemporary modern chair for the dining table, very light. And this is speak for itself. I don't know how to say more. Huge. I mean, look how big this countertop. Extension countertop. Again, this is a solid. This is not a Formica or composite. This is a solid. You have 2 pop-up here for 110 USB plugs. All this is solid cabinet. This is not a paper. That's a big deal on Rockwood signature. Solid cabinet door. You can see storage all over. They went to the 30-inch microwave, not the small one. Big 3-burner range residential look with a residential oven. And people think this is a warmer. No, it's a cooking pantry. Again, place, we say you could put your trash can here and you could take the trash from outside. Another pop-up here in this corner. So you have plenty of room for coffee maker, toasters, blender, you name it. Put all these kitchen devices here. You get plenty of room. You have plenty of room to make your lunch, dinners, whatever you need to fix. Plenty counter space, plenty storage. Fridge. This is the biggest fridge they use in the RV. It is the 16 cubic foot reefer ice maker. 2-door for freezer, 2-door for the fridge. That's the biggest fridge. And by the way, this one on a 12-volt system. But don't worry, because Rockwood signature, they give you 400 watt solar panel on the roof. So I have 2 panels on the roof, 400. They give you 2 AC, 15,000 with a heat pump. They give you ceiling fan. They give you a subwoofer or big speakers, plus speakers inside and speakers outside, Bluetooth. So they do it right. And then you have a vent here you could open if you want the exhaust to go outside. Pantries, got plenty pantries. Oh, they give you the trash can, so you don't have to buy. If you want to put a second one, you can, but they give you the trash can, and they give you a place where you put the bags for the trash can. Again, if you're noticing, all these doors are self-closing, like some of these doors on this kitchen. Very roomy. I mean, I never went in every single cabinet because I just want to point to you, cabinet and cabinet and cabinet, it's all over. So that's what I like about 371RK. It is a fifth wheel divided to 4 sections. You have kitchen dining right here, you have a living area here, you have the bathroom in this right there, and then you have a separate master suite bedroom. Let's go to the bedroom. I like this handle. Some people, they say, look the extra touch. Magnet on the door. And then come here, we have a nice paradise. You have a nice king size bed with the air conditioner in the bedroom, a place for breathing machine, and USB plugs, place for coats or towels, like if you, or pajamas. A nice 32-inch TV facing your bed. You have a storage underneath that. Oh, nice mattresses, season lights. Okay, show them. Even the bed structure is aluminum. That's another plus for you. It's aluminum structure on the bed. And all self-closing doors. And then once come over here, you have everything you ask. You have closets with LED light, sensors. Also, here's a place. They did all the work for us. They give you a stackable washer. They put the vent outside. They give you all the plumbing. So again, I could do the combo unit. I could do stackable washers. Or if I don't want to do stackable, I have a big closet here, shelf adjustables, and I could do whatever I want to do in this. So that's the beauty. It has stackable washer dryer or combo. Combo will be here, and then I could utilize the shelves and the hanging clothes. Going to the bathroom. Love this. Solid service countertop in the bathroom with a solid medicine cabinet and LED light. Fantastic fan. That's a big deal with a remote control in the bathroom. I love this. Look, this nice tile. Now this is solid, not a plastic. It's an ABS fiberglass, and it has a place to sit. Ooh. Women, they could do their business, taking a big shower head. Now they start investing some money on the shower heads, and you have a glass door. You take the safety latch. That's right. And then you close the door. Voila! There's no water coming outside. Everything inside. Very roomy. Elbow, height, no problem. And then they give you the nice barn door here. You should see it from inside. It's beautiful, like country. And then you have a nice Dometic porcelain toilet. This is not a plastic. And then this is saving you in the shower. You put all your towel here. You don't have to yell and scream, "Where's my towels?" That's for towels. So 371RK, perfect unit for a big kitchen in the back, big living area in the centers, big bathroom, king size bedroom, loaded. So this unit, you don't need to add nothing. I don't know what you want to add. It comes with the slide toppers, 2 TVs, auto leveling, 2 power awning, 2 AC, fantastic fan, ceiling fan, water filtration, big fridge, big freezer, big TV, 2 big TVs, and fireplace. So it has all it's need. You come to Best RV and grab it, because we price them. What's our model? A price no one could touch in California. What else? No hidden fees. What else? We make it ready for free. No gimmick. Free get ready package. Just come and buy it from Best RV Center.